replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a voltage source in series with a resistance, where that voltage source is called VTH and that current source is called RTH. Okay, that current source is called RTH. Okay, so what theorem states that the entire circuit, a two terminal. How to form a two terminal? If I disconnect this RL, then I am going to get a two terminal network. What are the two terminals available here? A and B. So a two terminal network can be replaced with a voltage source, in series with a resistance. So this is what theorem states. And he is naming these two as VTH and RTH. So you can replace this entire source, this entire circuit with VTH and RTH. So what is VTH? VTH is the open circuit voltage that is measured across A and B terminals, and RTH is the total equivalent resistance seen from this terminals A and B. So RTH is the resistance seen from the A and B, and VTH is the voltage measured at A and B. This VTH is called open circuit voltage and RTH is called equivalent resistance. RTH is equivalent resistance. Then what you are going to do after replacing this entire circuit with this circuit, then you are going to connect the remaining circuit. So what is the remaining circuit? The remaining circuit is nothing but the circuit which you have removed. What you have removed? RL. Okay. So RL you have removed. So we have to reconnect this RL and find the current I. So I is equal to V by, that is current in this RL is equal to V by VTH by RTH plus RL. So this is how you are going to find the current in a or response in a circuit in an element using Thevenin's theorem. So again I am explaining you. If you want to calculate the current in this element, first you have to remove that element. When you remove the element, two terminals will form, that is A and B. Calculate the voltage across A and B and name it as VTH, and calculate the equivalent resistance across A and B and name it as RTH. Now you connect this VTH and RTH in series. This A and B terminals will be like this only. So now what you have done across this A and B two terminals, you have minimized the circuit or replaced the circuit with this circuit. Now across this A and B terminals which you have removed, what you have removed? You have removed this RL. So connect this RL and find the current using the formula I is equal to VTH by RTH plus RL. Now, so how to find VTH and how to find RTH? So RTH, if you want to find, okay, the same formula which you have used, that is a voltage source should be replaced with a short. A voltage source is replaced with a short, and a current source should be replaced with a open. Okay, open circuit. So whenever you find a short circuit, you replace, voltage source, you replace with a short circuit, and wherever you find a current source, you replace with a open circuit simultaneously. So here I found a voltage source, so I have replaced with a short circuit, that is 30 volts I have removed. Okay, 32 volts I have removed, and this 2 amperes is there, that I have replaced with the open circuit. So this is your 2 amperes which I have removed. Now the circuit has been minimized to this. The circuit will be minimized. So this circuit will form like this when you replace the voltage source with a short circuit and current source with a open circuit. Now the RTH is nothing but, see here the 4 and 12 are in parallel and the combination is in series with 1. So 4 into 12 by 4 plus 2, that is 4 plus 12 is 16, and it is series with 1. So 4 4s, 4 3s, 3 plus 1, that is 4 ohms. So the RTH is equal to 4 ohms. The first step is over. You have found the RTH. Now to calculate VTH, so no current will flow in this circuit, so I is equal to 0. So you need not consider this element. So 2 amperes is coming like this, and it is going into this circuit only, and no current will come into this circuit. If you could able to find the voltage across this 2 ampere source, it is same as VTH. Or else, if you could able to find the voltage across this 12 ohms, okay, voltage across this 12 ohms, then it is same as VTH. This is same as VTH. Now, how to do this problem? How to find this VTH? So if I want to find the VTH, okay, I will assume voltage V here. Okay, so V minus, I am applying nodal analysis. V minus 32 by 4 plus V by 12 is equal to see here, current is entering, right? So is equal to 2. Okay. So if you could able to solve this, V by 4 plus V by 12, V by 4 plus V by 12 is equal to 2 minus 32 by 4. 32 by 4. How much you just solve and tell me? Somebody solve that answer and tell me. Anybody solving the problem or not? Yeah, anybody solving the problem or not?
V is equal to 30 volts.
Vachindamma? V is equal to 30 volts. So V is nothing but your VTH. So VTH is equal to 30 volts. So VTH is equal to 30 volts. So now what you have done, you have calculated your VTH and RTH. So VTH is 30 volts and RTH is 4 ohms. So this is your RTH and this is your VTH. Now across this A and B, again you connect the RL which you have removed. So RL you have removed, right? So this RL you have to connect it again, and now you formed a series circuit. So IL is equal to VTH by RTH plus RL. That is 30 plus 4 plus RL. If RL is equal to 6, you are going to get IL as 3 amperes. If RL is equal to 16, you are going to get 1.5 amperes. If RL is equal to 36, you are going to get 0.75 amperes.